This is a pre-built version of the application. So let's start by creating the database. So this script will do that. So this database, and now let's go ahead and run this scheduler. So we'll have five peers. One of them will be the driver peer, and the other will try to find a schedule with zero conflicts. And they will all be picking up messages from each other. And we will be using this initial data. So those are students that we have in the database and the meeting times. So we can schedule for those 6 meeting times. And the instructors, we have 7 of them, and their availability and qualification, and the rooms, and what courses do we have to schedule. And this one has 2 sessions. So we'll end up with 10 classes. And those are the departments and what courses it offers, each department, and who are the instructors affiliated with that department. And let's list the connections. So this is this peer is sending messages to those other peers on those ports, and this is the port number for this peer. And the other peers are sending messages to this peer that is receiving messages on those ports. And let's have this one run in verbose mode, and also this one. And those two will be running in default mode. So we don't see anything here, and here we see what's happening on those two. And this one found the solution after 38 generations. And we have those classes that were scheduled, and this course has 2 classes, and we can see from various perspectives. So the instructor perspective, and the meeting time perspective, and the room perspective, each room, what courses are scheduled in it, and from the student perspective. So part-time students can only be scheduled for 3 classes. So now maybe let's have this one run in verbose mode, and this one also in verbose mode, and those two let's change it to default mode. And let's try to find the fittest schedule peer-to-peer. Here we can see what's happening, and here we are not showing all the calculations, what's happening. So this one found the solution this time, and communicated it to everybody. So now here we can see those two solutions. Now the source code will be available for download, and it is a merged version of the latest peer-to-peer Python project and the latest class scheduling Python project. And a longer version that includes coding and test running of the coded application will be available for watching by channel members at the senior developer level and above.